Oh no. The best way to get a bit of Play-Doh off is to get another bit of Play-Doh and do that, and it will come off. Will we roll all your Play-Doh up into a ball? We roll it all up into a ball? Or do you want to try a different colour?
Yeah.
Try a different colour?
No.
Or do you want Daddy to roll it into a ball?
Yeah!
You like it rolled into a ball?
No.
So,
No.
here we go, let's roll it into a ball. Look at that. It's rolled into a ball. You like that? What can you do with it?
Where?
What could you do with your ball?
Where?
You could roll it.
Yeah.
So let's see what tools we've got here that we could... Would you like to cut a bit out of it? With it? Here's a knife. Oh, you're trying to bounce your ball? Well, it's not a real ball, so it won't bounce because it's made of Play-Doh. So we don't really want to do that, do we? Where are you going with your ball? You want Daddy to come with you, but the only problem is, see how it's not really a ball and it's getting mess on it. So we're better off to play with our Play-Doh here rather than pretend that it's a ball. See how it got a bit of grass in it? We don't want grass in our Play-Doh.
Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy, take the grass out. Okay, so Marley has decided we're going to play with orange Play-Doh. So let's take the lid off. Take the lid off. There we go, I've got a nice orange Play-Doh. Let's get out the orange Play-Doh. Oh no, it's a bit stuck in the bottom. Let's have a look. Oh, you've got some orange Play-Doh, don't you? I can't seem to get this one out. It's all stuck. There we go. Got some. It's very hard to get it out. I'm going to use this knife. There, we've got most of the orange Play-Doh out. Okay. Let's have a look at our orange Play-Doh. Are you using the lid to make a shape? What shape can you make with the lid?
Blue.
Blue's a colour.
Yeah.
I think it looks like you could make a circle shape.
Ah!
Okay, here's some more orange now. There's some more orange. So do you want to put your orange on here? Will we roll it into a ball?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll roll it. We'll roll it into a ball.
Yeah.
We might flatten it out a bit, so maybe into like a patty cake. So put it down here. Now we'll use your roller. Do you want to use your roller, or what do you want to do with this one? Oh, you're trying to bounce it. What if we roll it out? Oh, we don't throw Play-Doh. No throwing Play-Doh. Thank you. Okay, so let's roll it out a bit. Can you do your rolling song, your lovely rolling song? I love that song. Okay, can you do a bit of rolling? Oh, you've got your heart. Oh, there's still some blue Play-Doh. We've got to get the blue Play-Doh off. Marley, can Daddy get the blue Play-Doh off? Oh, no. Oh, blue Play-Doh. Okay, what if we use this tool? Try this tool. Marley, do you want to try this tool?
No.
So, will I teach you how to do... Watch this one. So you can cut shapes. Oh, no. See how we can cut shapes like this? Look Look at that. We can cut it into a
No.
rectangle. See what you can cut it in. Oh, lovely. It's like a rolling cutter. Oh, look at that. Oh, yes. Oh, what did you make?
Bear.
A bear?
Yep.
Oh, it's a lovely bear. Okay, can you hold up your bear? We'll have a look at it. Oh no. Poor bear. Let's have a look at our bear.